Now you've learned the basics of Python, you are now ready to start tackling more complex tasks like text analysis. This topic will teach you a few ways to do this. However, to conduct such computational analysis, Python requires a file that it can read. The problem here is that if you are using any Microsoft software like Word or Excel, they are very difficult for Python to deal with. Fortunately, there is a solution that will allow your programs to work properly. So, before we start the prints for this topic, you need to know two things. How to save a Word document as a plain text file, and how to save an Excel file as a CSV file. The processes for these things are relatively simple. I'll demonstrate them in this video, and there are instructions below as well for those who need it. We'll do the Word document first. Converting a Word document into a plain text file simply means to store it as plain text, with none of the formatting that Word facilitates, like fancy fonts or coloured text. So you should firstly make sure that you have the file you want to convert open. Then click File, then Save As, then Browse, then click the drop-down arrow of Save As Type, then click Plain Text, then Save. You will then see a file conversion window. For these purposes, it's just best to leave the default settings. Click OK, and there you have it. Now, in terms of converting Excel spreadsheets, CSV files, or comma-separated value files, to use the full term, strip out the excess formatting found in Excel spreadsheets and stores tabular data, which is numbers and text, as plain text. The process is very similar to the Word document. To convert an Excel file to a CSV file, follow these steps. Make sure your Excel document is open. Click File. Click Save As. Click Browse. Select CSV from the drop-down menu of Save As Type. You may get multiple options, so make sure you select the one that says UTF-8. There it is. Click Save. And there you go. You should now know how to convert Microsoft files into ones that Python can read. Good luck in the next sprint.